sorry. Pabalik na, pabalik. Morning guys. Biyahe na kami papuntang Alabel. Kasama ko si Mama.
Hi, good morning.
Supportive Mama. Samahan niya ako sa bike marathon. Galing Alabel papunta sa Glan. Balik naman papunta sa Alabel. Tama ka ba? Si Atomic nasa likod.
Diyos, salamat na ning matahong kamunta ko sa panayon nimo nga pag-amping ka namo, pagbantay pagtipig sa kinabuhi. Ug nining kamuntagon sa ikaduhang higayon nagahangyo kami kanimo. 6 5 4 3 2 1.
Sa event na ito, may dalawang kategory. 86 kilometers category at 100 kilometers category. Halo lang yan, mountain bike at saka road bike. Ang sinalihan ko, 86 kilometers. Unang pinakawalan, ang 100 kilometers.
Shout out naman dyan, taga-classmate ako sa PSB RC 2008-01. Good luck mga class. 5 4 3 2 1. Time check is 5:30. Oh, ang ganda naman tignan. First down. 86.
Yan si Uncle Danny. Kahit may edad na yan, batak pa rin yan. Kilala ko siya kasi siya ang mekaniko ko sa bike ko. May shop nga pala siya malapit sa airport. Puntahan nyo minsan. Sa event na ito, alam kong di ako makapasok sa top 10. Alam ko yung kapasidad ko. Maraming magagaling dito at mga dayo. Pero ang goal ko sa larong ito, makapunta o makaabot ako sa finish line. Masaya na ako dun. Ay, sige. Ito naman si Kuya Edmond. Siya nagsabi sa akin na may ganitong event daw. Kaya di ako hindi. Subukan natin tutukan si Kuya Edmond. Baka kaya natin makipagsabayan sa kanya. Ang bilis niyang makalayo, narinig ata tayo. Ganitong pacing, 20 to 25, di ko kaya hanggang sa dulo o hanggang sa finish line. Kaya siguro kung pipilitin ko, pero takot ako magka-cramps at baka di ko matapos ang event na ito. Ang ingay talaga ng hub na iyan. Pati nga ako natawa eh. Parang may pinuputol na bakal gamit ang grinder. Sumasama lang ako sa peloton. Wala akong pakialam kung sino ang breakaway, kung meron namang breakaway. Nasa likod lang talaga ako ni Kuya Edmond. Sa part na ito, binabalak ni Kuya Edmond na pumunta sa harap, kaya sumama ako sa kanya. Di ko alam kung kami ang breakaway o gumagawa kami ng chase group. Wala kasi akong pakialam kung may breakaway na ba o wala. Sumisilip si Kuya Edmond sa likod niya kung may sumusunod sa kanya. Di ko kinayang magipagsabayan sa kanya kaya kumalas kaagad ako. Sa part na ito, napag-iwanan ako ng peloton. Kaya tumutok ako dito kay ate. Parang di ata siya kasama sa event, pero kasama niya yung husband niya. For sure husband niya to kasi naka-couple jersey sila. Ang cute ng bag ni Kuya, Parbor.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Sa part na ito, meron ng pabalik. Di ko alam kung 86 kilometers category ba yun or 100 kilometers category. Ito yung part na malapit mabasa ang kamera ko at napakadelikadong U-turn.
Hey, kamera! Hey, kamera! Ay! 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 Ay, sorry. Asa ko? Hey, kamera! Basa! Basa na basa. Basa ang kamera. Nabasa ang kamera. Pabalik. Alas 7 na. Time limit alas 10.
Itong mga nakapink, sila daw yung dayo galing Sultan Kudarat at sila daw yung nanalo. Di ako sure, yun yung balita sa akin eh.
Dito Matus Pangilina, let's go!
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed.
Sige lang.
Shoutout nga pala kay Michael Magpantay. Ingat ka dyan sa barko, idol. At shoutout din kay Kyle Marcos. Salamat sa suporta. At kay Sir Gala ni Jan. Salamat sa suporta, sir. At sa mga di pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na din kayo.